Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I need you to do me two things. The first one is to hit that subscribe button down below, and the second one is to click that little bell next to it so you can get notification each time I upload a new video. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty, so if that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. To my old subscriber, hi family, thanks so much for coming back. If you are familiar with my channel, then you know I am on a 2-month chebe challenge. So far, I am loving it. This is my first month. I made a chebe growth oil that I am using, but I decided to spice things up for the second month because I want to get the most growth that I can get. So for the second month's challenge, I will be doing the same thing. I'm just going to change the oil that I'm going to be using on my scalp for the second month. So while brainstorming, I came out with using a fenugreek oil. I use fenugreek a lot when I started my natural hair, but I just stopped using it for some time. But I was going through my oils and my herbs, and I saw my fenugreek seed, and I was like, this would be the best time for me to incorporate it into my natural hair again. So I have my fenugreek seed here, and I have my Amla powder, and I'm just going to also throw in my black rice oil. So I'm going to be making a fenugreek, Amla and black rice oil, and I'm going to use this oil on my scalp and for my hot oil treatment on my wash day. If you would like to see how I'm going to make this simple recipe but very effective for natural hair and your scalp, then keep on watching. And I will also tell you guys a lot about fenugreek and the benefits it has for our health and our hair. So keep on watching. For this recipe, we need our coconut oil, black rice oil, our fenugreek seed, henna powder, a glass container for us to store our oil, some measuring spoon, that's 1 cup, half cup, and 1 tablespoon. Fenugreek seed, which is also known as Methi seed, has great amounts of vitamin C in it, which helps boost your immunity. It is also rich in iron, which is good for blood circulation, rich in potassium. It is also a source of nicotinic acid, which encourages hair growth, and lecithin, which energizes hair follicles. From hair loss to dandruff, baldness, those metal seeds can open up a world of goodness for your hair and scalp. Fenugreek seed help to reduce hair fall and increase hair growth, making it smooth and more manageable. It kills itchy scalps. It prevents premature graying of your hair. It repairs damaged hair, conditions your hair. Regular use of fenugreek seeds in your hair makes the hair soft, shiny, and glossy. If you already lost a lot of hair or your hair is thin, use fenugreek seeds will help to regrow the hair and will make your hair thick and strong. Our next ingredient is our Amla powder. It has vitamin C, protein, and antioxidants. It also has fatty acid that prevents our hair from damage. It also makes our hair shiny and smooth. It reduces hair fall and treats our itchy scalp and works as a scalp antiseptic to kill our scalp infection. It naturally conditions hair and makes it soft and smooth. It also accelerates hair growth. I also love using henna powder as a deep conditioner. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of henna powder to 2 tablespoons of our fenugreek seed. Just mix them together. You should have something like this. That's 1 cup of coconut oil, half cup of black rice oil. The longer you infuse this oil, the better it is, and the color will become very dark. Do not worry, that is normal. You can infuse for a week and then you can start to use it. First try a patch test, then after you can apply it to your hair 2 hours before shampoo. For best result, apply it overnight, then you can shampoo it out the next day. As for me, I do not wash mine out until my regular wash day, which is once a week or twice a month. You can also go extreme by sitting under a steamer for 15 minutes, then using a scalp massager to massage your scalp while the oil is on your scalp. You can also infuse this oil under direct sunlight for 3 days or place it at a window that has sunlight hitting it. So this is my very effective growth oil and very easy to make. If you like this video, I will appreciate it if you can leave me a like. Leave a comment down below and let me know what other video you would like to see, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.